Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the salsa for the pupusas. And you can also use this in other recipes that we'll do later. So vamos a hacer la salsa para pupusas. So go ahead and put your tomatoes in. This is the easy way. Here's la and we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the chicken bouillon. Because that really gives a great flavor to everything. And then we'll go ahead and do, maybe do just a half a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. So if you like things spicier, you can add accordingly. That one's that simple. We'll stir it up. We'll put it on the stove. And then the next one, I needed one more pan. So the next one we'll do is we're going to put the fresh tomatoes in, cover them with water, and we're going to start those cooking. We're going to want them to cook till the skin starts splitting. Alright, so it looks like the tomatoes have been cooking for about 20 minutes. I'm going to let you come on over and see what it looks like. Eso se ha estado cocinando por 20 minutos y es suficiente. Hay 2 formas de hacer la salsa. Uno es de jugo tomate simple y otra forma es usando tomates frescos. Mira, este es listo. So this one right here is the simple one that we were cooking. And as you can see, it's good, it's ready, it's had time to flavor up, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this one off. And this one is almost ready. See how the skins are starting to split right here? We'll let it cook just a few more minutes. Well, I can try right now. I just want to see if they'll just kind of pinch off. Just slide right off. See? Like that. There we go. Well, we can do that to all of them. We're going to go ahead and put them in the blender. We'll go ahead and turn these off now. And I'm going to put them in the blender. Vamos a poner los tomates dentro la licuadora. Quiere con un poquito agua también. I'll put just a little bit of water in there too. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. The 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, chicken bouillon, and one of the crushed peppers. And again, if you like it spicy, add more. You won't need to put salt because of the chicken bouillon. It will be salty enough. Put my lid on the right way would be helpful. Okay, we're just going to blend it up. And there you've got it. In 2 forms. With those formas de tomates. Frescas y simple.